So, good morning! Good morning to everyone. I want to share you, all of you, na yung ano ko ngayon guys, yung low carbs natin ngayon guys, yung healthy food tips natin. So, nag-slice po ako ng papaya, pero hindi ko to maubos, okay? Depends of you lang guys kung ubusin ba o hindi, okay? So, ayan po. Tapos, nag-fish ako guys, 2 pirasong isda, tapos isang piraso din na carrot at saka 5 pirasong tawag nito broccoli at 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces na tomato cherry. Ayan. At 1 glass of milk. Milk with collagen. Ganon lang siya guys. Ganon. Okay? Ganon lang siya. So, thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.